Decimals. The numbers represented in the form of decimal are called decimal numbers or simply decimals. For example, the numbers 7.8, 29.56, 9.315, 0.058, etc. are decimals. A decimal has two parts, namely A. Whole number part, B. Decimal part. These parts are separated by a dot called the decimal point. The part on the left side of the decimal point is the whole number part, and that on the right side of the decimal point is the decimal part. For example, in 56.38 we have whole number part equals to 56 and the decimal part equals to 38. Decimal places. The number of digits contained in the decimal part of a decimal gives the number of decimal places. For example, 5.78 has 2 decimal places, 9.623 has 3 decimal places, etc. Like and unlike decimals. Like decimals, decimals having the same number of decimal places are called the like decimals. For example, 2.5, 4.8, 8.7, etc. are like decimals, each having 1 decimal place, and 2.62, 7.36, 8.63, etc. are like decimals, each having 2 decimal places. Unlike decimals. Decimals having different numbers of decimal places are called unlike decimals. For example, 0.7, 5.51, 6.872, etc. are unlike decimals. 0.7 equals to 7 by 10 equals to 7 into 10 upon 10 into 10 equals to 70 by 100 equals to 0.70. 0.7 is equal to 7 by 10 equals to 7 multiplied by 100 upon 10 multiplied by 100 equals to 700 by 1000 equals to 0.700. Therefore, 0.7 is equal to 0.70 is equal to 0.700, etc. It can be concluded that putting any number of zeros to the extreme right of the decimal part of a decimal does not change its value. For example, we can write 5.74 equals to 5.740 equals to 5.7400, etc. Thus, we may convert unlike decimals into like decimals by inserting the required number of zeros to the extreme right of the decimal part.